Hi guys, how's it going? So this video is for Nez. This is his card and we won't be working on it today because of how it is. So sorry, this will be a quick video just from, I'll be just using my hand here because of this. Yeah, it's not a happy camper, this one. For anyone interested, this is the card, 12 gig. 6x memory. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I think all the screws are out. Well, not this one. Doesn't really matter, as you can see. That's crusty, super crusty, all that. And it smells. So all that goes to bin. There's literally PCB fried everywhere around. How? How is this even possible? Ew. I'm touching it. Ugh. Here's some IC. Oh, this IC is fried completely. This voltage regulator. Very nice. Resistor. Shunt. Okay, look at this. That also goes to bin. What do we have? Something wasn't happy here, and this coil doesn't look too happy. Oh man. Well, what I'm thinking is we need to take the memory and the core out of it and then measure the core and the memory. It is some indication, right? These phases look good. BIOS looks good. What else? Not much. Oh, there's one IC in there. This shunt resistor melted and bubbled. That was 12 volt high power at some point right here, right? Was it 12 volt high power? No idea. Maybe not. Maybe it's PCIe. I'm looking at it some more. There are two ICs here. What is this? What is this? Was that on fire or not? It's hard to tell. I may clean it later and see. But I don't think there was fire here. There was fire here, that's for sure. And all this. Yeah, that was on fire. Look at this. This is high current trace. And that is going there. Oh well. So what I'm thinking is yeah, not much to see here. That will probably explode, so eat this. Eat. 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 Sorin says, say hello to my little friend. That is good. That is even better. No capacitor, no shorted capacitor, right? And the coil. Okay, that is very professionally prepared board. Let me clean the core. We can't measure anything as is because every single thing will be shorted to every single thing on this board. So the only way to really assess any of that is to lift the stuff off. Yeah. Professional. So for this specific task we will be using old baking paper and the cheap quick. This is very nice. So NC 551, very nice. I love it. I love this thing. Smells though very badly, but this smells as well, so you know they were meant for each other. Wow, do you see that? You can't even imagine the smell from it. And I'm just preheating it. The thing is off. Okay, we are slowly getting there. I will just add some flax, more flax than there was, and the core should lift shortly. I think the core will be ready now. So boom, yeah, it is ready. Look at the balls. So I use this for lifting the core. So here it is, nice and smooth. Now I'll start focusing. Let me turn it off. I'll start focusing on the memory and some of the ICs while it's hot, you know, I don't need that. Power stages. That's good. BIOS. You can take the ports out. Plop. Plop. Easy peasy, right? Whoa! Oh Jesus, I just desoldered everything. Look. Yeah. A great success. So the core is now cleaned. It's not perfectly wicked, but this doesn't matter. All I care about now is that there are no shorts, so we can measure it. And how we can do it is, let's start with VMEM and VCore. So VMEM, I'm placing my probe on one of the grounds, and VMEM is here in a corner. I think it's 620 ohms, and VDD, so VCore is here, and it says half an ohm, which is not bad. Let's see, I think there is a data line in here, which we have kilo ohms, but maybe I shall change for the diode mode. And the fourth one is 0.32 voltage drop, so that looks nice. So what else survived? This survived, this entire plastic with fans. This is good. Needs cleaning in some places, like especially here because it smells of burning. But yeah, that's fine. And the IO shield needs to be bent back, but otherwise it's good. So we have the core, we have those, then what we have, memory that needs of course needs measuring, but because the core is good, I bet these are good. They were far away from the fire. Core was much closer. We have the power stages, BIOS, ports. It's kinda meh, but it will do. So display ports, we have the HDMI. It's not the best. It already has like a usage warn. So I don't know. Maybe it come in handy, maybe not. Probably not. The coils. And that's it. Some small ICs, but I'm not sure if they're any good. So these are power ICs. Let's see. Yeah, some on semi-jobby. And yeah, that's pretty much it from this card. Thank you, Nez. I'll send you the information on Discord now. And thanks for watching, everyone.